Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Andara from class RA to D, and my student number is 8. Today, I would like to talk about an electronic component called a water level sensor. First, what is a water level sensor? A water level sensor is a device used to detect the level of water or liquid in a container. For example, it can be used in a water tank, aquarium, or reservoir. The main function of the sensor is to monitor the water level, whether it is low, medium, or high. And this is very important because it can help prevent problems like water overflow or water shortage. And now let's talk about the physical appearance. A water level sensor is usually small and thin, and then the lightweight. It has a flat rectangular shape like a small board, and on the surface there are metal lines or conductive tracks. These lines are used to detect water. The sensor is usually green or blue because it is made from a printed circuit board or PCB. It also has three pins, which are PECC for power, GND for ground, signal pin for output. And how does this sensor work? The water level sensor works based on electrical conductivity. When water touches the sensor surface, it connects to the conductive lines, and these create small electrical signal. If the water level is low, only small part of the sensor is touched, so the signal is also small. But if the water level is high, more parts of the sensor are covered by water, so the signal becomes stronger. This signal is then sent to microcontrollers such as Arduino. The microcontroller will read the signal and process the data. For example, it can turn on a water pump or give an alarm. And then the first advantage is that the sensor is simple and easy to use. Even beginners can use it without difficulty. And then second, it is low cost, so it is affordable for many projects. And third, it is compact, so it doesn't take much space. And the sensor is very widely used in many applications. For example, in water tank, in automatic irrigation system, in flood detection system, or in household appliance. So, because of this use, the water level sensor is very useful in daily life and industry. A water level sensor is an important electronic device used to detect water level. It has a simple design, works based on conductivity, and is widely used in many applications. That's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.